Hey, this is Ricardo with Culture, and this is your Art House construction update. So much progress in the last couple of weeks. We've increased our manpower on site and gotten all of our hardscape and landscape almost installed. Our arrival court is complete, and yes, we've begun the installation of furniture in our amenity spaces. Look at some of the views of our amenity space called The Hub, an area where you can work from home, essentially. 3 private small conference rooms, multiple workspace areas where you can relax and entertain, and our boardroom. Take a look at the library, an escape for relaxation, for small meetings, and for quiet reading. All fully furnished, all beautiful. Let's go look at the progress in some of our remaining residences left for sale. Here we are, level 28, the Encore Residence. This unit is ready for move-in. Fantastic views. What a phenomenal way to enjoy your morning cup of coffee. Here we are, level 27 in our Bravo unit. 100% complete, ready to move in. Fantastic views of the north and the east. One of the few remaining of this floor plan. Here we are, the first view of your pool deck with outdoor seating, cabanas, outdoor bar, outdoor cooking areas. The perfect way to enjoy the Florida sun. Here we are, Cloud 9 in your club room. Generous seating everywhere with little areas for entertainment and for socializing, for informal dining, for friends and families to get together, for private parties. All of these spaces are just an extension of your home. Your club room is a fantastic place to create memories with a bar area, integrated seating in front of our feature wall, and the most important asset of this space, your private dining room, supported by our catering kitchen. Here we are in our fitness center with free weights, dumbbells, pulley system equipment, cardio suite, full training circuit, fitness turf, 2 more areas, 1 for group fitness, 1 for private fitness, Pelotons, rowers. I can't wait to see you guys here. Thanks for joining us for this update for Art House. As you can see, we're in the final stages of perfection for your tower. Once we get city approval, we'll move swiftly to initiate closings. Until then, Art House, luxury living in the heart of downtown St. Pete with a pool.